Hello everyone, this is Harsh and you are watching WPF World. In this video, we will learn how to group the data grid row based on the column name. Let's start the coding. To group the data grid based on column name, we need option to select the column name. For that, I will add a combo box control where we will have all the column name. Here, I will add one text block to show the text group by, so that we can easily understand that we have to select option to group the data grid. I will bind the selected item of combo box with group by property. Now I will create the group by property to view model. Now let's fix the error and run it. You can see here one group by text and a combo box where we have all the column names. I will change the vertical alignment of text block to center. Now let's start the coding part of grouping. I will copy and paste the sort method and will change the name to group by column name. I will remove this because it is not required here, and I will replace sort descriptions by group descriptions. Inside the add, I will replace the sort description object by property group description object. This part is not required, so I will remove it because I want to group the data grid based on the group by property. So here I will pass the group by property. Now I will call the method from the setter of group by property. Now let's run it and see the result. Here we are not able to see properly. To see it clearly, let's modify the UI. Here I will add expander so that it will show the value of the row and count of the value to the header of expander. To change the style of grouping, we need to add the group style. To add the custom style, we need to change the template of the group style. This name is not the column name. This name is used to show the value of the column as a header of expander. To show the count, we need to add the item count value to the text block text. Here I want to show the count inside the bracket, so I will use here the string format. Now let's run it and see the result. Now let's select the value from the group by combo box. If you can see the header of the expander, it is showing the value of the cell of that column and also showing the count how many same values are present in data grid. If you feel this video helpful, let's share it.